Meaning of francium.
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 Francium. Francium is a highly radioactive element with the symbol Fr and atomic number 87. It belongs to the alkali metal group and is the second rarest naturally occurring element. Francium was discovered in 1939 by Marguerite Curie in France, and named after her home country. Due to its extreme rarity and high radioactivity, francium has no practical applications outside of scientific research. Its most stable isotope, francium-223, has a half-life of only 22 minutes, and the element is difficult to produce and isolate for study.